Hi, it's Margie from Marjielous Creations, and welcome to my Learn to Knit series. We'll be going over different techniques and stitches for you guys to learn to knit. In today's video, we're going to be going over Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do the stretchy knitting bind off. So this just gives your bind off edge just a little bit more of a stretch to it. So to start off, we are going to knit 2. So however you are comfortable knitting, I know I knit a little bit differently than other people. So I'm going to knit my first one. And then knit my second one. Okay. Now both of these are going to get slipped back onto your working needle. Okay. Whichever needle that might be. And then you're just going to knit both of those together. So whether you knit through the back loop or you knit through the front loop, that's your prerogative. And there you go. So we've knit 2, put them back together, and to knit those 2 together. So we're left with 1 loop on our needle. So that's our start off. So now from here on out, we knit 1, put both the one we just knit and our first loop back on the starting needle, and then we knit them together. So knit 1, slide it over, knit 2 together. Okay, so I've got a few done here, and you can see that it creates kind of a neat little bind off. From a crocheter standpoint, it kind of looks like we are doing a single crochet. So what that is you insert and pull up a loop, right? And then you yarn over and pull through 2. So really, I think it is exactly what we're doing. We are knitting a single crochet. How cool is that? So I suppose if you really wanted, you could do this with a crochet hook. So let's knit, slide them both over, knit through 2, knit 1, slide them both over, and knit through 2, knit 1, slide them both over, and knit through 2. And you just continue this all the way to the end of your bind off. So this was knit with my 3.5 millimeter Chiagu needles, but I'm going to try that with my crochet hook and see how it goes. So I'm just going to slide that out. Okay, so that was knit 1, and then you have them, you're supposed to slide them back over, but with crochet you can just yarn over and pull through 2. And look, that looks exactly the same as our knit stitch. So you can do this bind off whichever way you feel more comfortable with. So if you're more of a crocheter and you're learning to knit, or if you're a knitter and you just want to learn a different kind of a technique, I honestly think that using the crochet hook to bind this off as a single crochet bind off, yes, it will give you that stretch that you want, the exact same stretch you're getting from that knitting needle, and it gives you the exact same stitch. It's just a little faster. And so you can see there's this it ends up with a beautiful, nice bind off, and it gives a really good stretch in both directions. And what I did was I did 10 stitches with the knitting needles, and then I did 10 stitches with the crochet hook all the way along, and honestly I can't tell the difference between the knitted ones and the crocheted ones. So, neat little tidbit I found out while recording the video is it works both ways, and you can't tell, and it gives the exact same stretch on it. Happy yarning!